Good day, everyone. The following content is intended only for those who are open-minded and courageous enough to question what they have always believed to be true. These videos explore ideas that challenge societal norms and the regular patterns of thinking we've been conditioned to accept. The truths presented may feel uncomfortable or even confrontational. If we choose to proceed, do so with an open heart and unwillingness to reflect. Not everything revealed here will be easy to accept, but it may help you see beyond the surface of what we call normal. Viewer discretion and self-awareness are advised. The box. Mauni ang mga sistema nga nagpatrap sa nahuna sa tao. People are trapped in invisible systems that dictate how they live, think, and define success. Unang punto, consumerism, commercialism, ang sistema sa kulang paka. Ang modernong sistema sa consumerism nagtulo sa tao na ang kalipay makuha lang kung naa siya'y bagong butang, bagong cellphone, sapatos, sinina, o lifestyle. Ang mga advertisements at influencer ay nagpapadala ng mensaheng pang-subconscious na kulang ka pa. Ang taong hindi nakasasabay sa uso ay nakaramdam na siya ay mababa o kulang. Ang status ngayon ay sinusukat hindi sa kung sino ka, kundi sa kung ano ang mayroon ka. Example, kung dili branded imong sanina, bati ka tanaw. Kung wala kay iPhone, wala kay class. Kung di ka ka-travel, boring imong kinabuhi. And the result, man lives in a perpetual cycle of dissatisfaction. Ikaduhang punto, economic system, ang kwarta ang naghari. Unsa ni siya? Gitudloan ta nga ang kinabuhi naglihok lang sa kwarta. Gi-instill sa kultura nga ang trabaho equals kwarta equals kinabuhi. Mechanism of the trap. Ang tao ay nagtatrabaho upang mabuhay, ngunit ang trabaho rin ang unti-unting kumikitil sa kanyang buhay. Ang serbisyo ng tao ay nabawasan tungo sa isang presyo. Ang tao ay naging parang unit pang-ekonomiya. Natutuwa ang mga tao kapag sumasahod, ngunit nakakalimutan nilang mas malaki pa ang buhay kaysa pera. Example, dili ko muhunong kay kinahanglan ko mangikat. Walay kwarta, walay kinabuhi. Ang trabaho mauray basihan sa akong value. Now, here's the deeper truth. Bisan sa unang panahon, ang tao mabuhi ra pinaagi sa nagpalibot niya na resources. Tubig, tanom, yuta ug komunidad. Ang kwarta gigamit lang aron sukdon ang value sa produkto o serbisyo, dili aron ipuli sa kinabuhi mismo. And the result? A person becomes trapped in the cycle of work for money, spend to survive, until they forget the true essence of living, peace, relationships, family, purpose, and connection with nature. Ikatulong punto, educational system, eskwela para makapasar, dili para makabot sa imong pangandoy. Ang sistema sa edukasyon karon kasagaran grade-based o exam-centered. Mechanism of the trap. Tinuturuan ang mga estudyante kung paano makapasa, hindi kung paano likhain at abutin ang kanilang mga pangarap. Ang tagumpay ay binabase sa mga marka, medalya at karangalan, hindi sa pag-unlad, pagkamalikhain, kakayahang umangkop at tibay ng loob. Minsan, napipilitan din ang mga guro na sundin ang standardized routine, discussion, worksheet, activity, exam, and repeat. Example, ang bright kay honor student. Kung bagsak, dili bright. Kung di ka memorize, why ayu? And the result? Many students are intelligent in life, observant, analytical, expressive, but their potential goes unnoticed because they are not exam-type students. The system teaches conformity, not original thinking. Ikaapat na punto, social media system, the algorithm of comparison. Ang social media nagbuhat og ilusyon nga ang uban perpekto, ikaw dili. Here's the mechanism of the trap. Dinisenyo ang algorithm upang ipakita sa iyo ang mga imaheng gusto mong makita. Napapaisip tuloy ang tao na dapat ganyan din ang buhay ko. Example, may pa sila, naay car, naanay travel. Ako ra gyud ang way naabot. And the result? The more you scroll, the more you feel empty because your focus is no longer on yourself. It's on the projection of others. Having heard those points, you might ask, why am I trapped in the box? To tell you honestly, it's not entirely the system's fault that you are trapped inside the box. You allowed yourself to stay there. The system, in fairness, is a sign of continuous progress. It keeps improving the comfort, efficiency, and the quality of the box you live in. Yet, it is also designed to keep the cycle repeating, a pattern that traps anyone who isn't conscious enough to step outside and see things from a higher perspective. Now that you've seen the box, the invisible system that shapes how you think, act, and live, once we start seeing how these systems quietly control our thoughts and emotions, we begin to take back our own definition of what it means to be in control. And that is the day you start living. Well, the next question now is, what will you do about all of these informations? We will uncover the answer in our next video series, The Box. So keep going, keep growing. This is King Juan Learning. Embrace awareness, embrace growth, embrace learning.